Stop. Are you making a huge mistake with your home theater setup? Wireless versus wired. One of them is a complete game changer. But which one? Everyone thinks wireless is better. But what if I told you that's not always true? Stick around, because the answer might shock you. Problem statement. Wireless versus wired. Which truly wins? Messy cables or laggy connections? Today, we settle the debate in 5 explosive rounds. And trust me, the final point changes everything. Sound quality. Round 1. Sound quality. Wired systems deliver true lossless audio, perfect for audiophiles who crave every detail. Wireless. It's come a long way, but compression can still rob you of that cinematic depth. If sound quality is your top priority, wired takes the win. But wait, coming up you can change everything's setup and convenience, cost and value, and most important, every people stucky or confused I am recommended you can watch full video. Latency and connectivity. Round 2. Latency and connectivity. Wireless systems can suffer from lag, especially during gaming or fast-paced movies. Wired. Zero lag every time. But wait, newer wireless tech is closing the gap. Still, if you hate delays, wired is your safe bet. Setup and convenience. Round 3. Setup and convenience. Wireless is a dream for clean, cable-free setups. Wired. It's a nightmare of drilling, hiding cables, and endless connections. If you value simplicity, wireless wins this round hands down. Cost and value. Round 4. Cost and value. Wireless systems often come with a premium price tag, but they include features like smart connectivity. Wired systems are cheaper upfront, but add-ons like cables and connectors can add up. It's a tie. It all depends on your budget. You can wait for my final verdict. Future-proofing. Round 5. Future-proofing. Wireless is the future, with constant updates and compatibility with smart home systems. Wired. It's reliable but may feel outdated as tech evolves. If you want to stay ahead, wireless is the way to go. Final verdict. So, after 5 intense rounds, which one comes out on top? Here's the truth. It depends on you. If you want simplicity, clean setups, and smart features, go wireless. But if you crave the absolute best sound quality and zero lag, wired is your winner. And here's one thing you must know before buying. Always test your system in your space. What works for others might not work for you. Which one would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you thought this was interesting, wait until you see my upcoming review on the best Dolby Atmos systems of 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more game-changing home theater insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.